Well, there's some relief for people living along the eastern coast in India as the severe cyclonic storm Montha has now weakened into a cyclonic storm. According to the latest update by the IMD, the storm moved slowly northwest at around 10 kilometers per hour overnight. As of early morning today, it was centered close to Narsapur, about 50 kilometers northeast of Machilipatnam and 90 kilometers from Kakinada. The storm is expected to continue moving northwest over coastal Andhra Pradesh for the next few hours. It may weaken further into a deep depression later today. According to the district magistrate of Gajapati district in Odisha, continuous rainfall has caused landslides in several areas. However, there were no casualties and about 10,000 people have been relocated from sensitive zones.
आज और कल रेड अलर्ट में है, तो सुबह से बारिश हो रही है। 2 बजे तक हमारा अराउंड 100 mm रेनफॉल हो गया था। तो कंटिन्यूस बारिश की वजह से कई जगहों पे हमारा लैंडस्लाइड रिपोर्ट हुआ है। काशीनगर में एक सुबह हुआ था, वो हमने क्लियर कर दिया है। आरडी ने जाके उसको क्लियर किया है, ब्लॉक प्रशासन की भी टीम वहां थी। दूसरा हमारा उदयगिरी में एक जगह पे जो है रोड ब्लॉकेज हुआ है, वहां पे NDRF की टीम हमारी प्रेजेंट है। ब्लॉक प्रशासन से भी लोग गए हैं, आरडी वहां पे है, तो वो भी उसको क्लियर करने का जितना जल्दी हो पाएगा कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Odisha's Chief Minister Majhi also took the stock of the situation and held a high-level review meeting.
जहाँ काकीनाडा में लैंडफॉल होना था आंध्र प्रदेश का, वहाँ ना होते हुए वो थोड़ा सा और आगे साउथ के तरफ अमलापुरम में वो लैंडफॉल किया और हमारा उड़ीसा को कोई इतना बहुत बड़ा खतरा नहीं है और अभी तक ज्यादा बारिश होना, हवा चलना, व्यापक क्षय क्षति होना, वो भी अभी से कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं आया है और हमारा सारी के सारी टीम अभी प्रस्तुति में और रेडी है। जो भी परिस्थिति आएगा उसको मुकाबला करने के लिए।
So some sort of relief for the people living along the eastern coastline in India is now the severe cyclonic storm Montha has been weakened into a cyclonic storm. According to the latest update that we have received from Indian Meteorological Department, the storm moved slowly northwest at around 10 kilometers per hour overnight. And if we have to speak about the situation from this morning, it was centered close to Narsapur, about 50 kilometers northeast of Machilipatnam and 90 kilometers of Kakinada. Now it is also expected that the storm could continue moving northwest over coastal Andhra Pradesh for the next couple of hours. It may weaken further into a deep depression by later tonight. According to the word coming in from District Magistrate of Gajapati district in Odisha, continuous rainfall has caused landslides in several areas. So that is some sort of impact of this storm as far as the situation in Odisha is concerned. However, luckily there were no casualties that have been reported. About 10,000 people were located from the sensitive zones. From the spot.
We have cancelled about 23 number of trains. These trains which are cancelled are mainly those trains which are running between 15 hours of today to 5 o'clock of tomorrow morning, because that is the time when the intensity of the wind will be highest, and as we all know that the railway line in Voltaire division is between 5 kilometer to 20 kilometer away from the coast.
And lot of aquaculture ponds, agriculture fields, rice fields are there. And while it enters inland, another 2 hours, it will center will cross, whole of the cyclone will make the landfall and move towards South Odisha and then to Chhattisgarh towards Raipur. Till that time, it will be tomorrow, maybe 10 o'clock or so. all through the night, strong winds at least 40 to 70 kilometers. Now it is about 90 to 100 kilometers. At least throughout the night, all these areas up to Raipur, South Odisha, and coastal Andhra Pradesh, inland segment of coastal Andhra Pradesh, North coastal Andhra Pradesh, will experience very rough weather and lot of damage to power distribution system. Already, several districts are out of power for last 3 hours. So, a lot of damage will be there. Loss of life is totally avoided.
Right.
So it will not be there.
AP government take care of the this Tufan affected areas and also send it to NDRF and SDRF also total Kakinada district and Konaseema also. Prastam now stopped the APSRTC buses also all areas in AP, Konaseema and Kakinada, Turpu Godavari Jilla also. This severe cyclone storm Montha is expected to make landfall between Kakinada and Machilipatnam, bringing strong winds and heavy rainfall. The storm is currently centered at 120 kilometers from Machilipatnam, 110 kilometers from Kakinada, and 220 kilometers from Visakhapatnam. Expected landfall timing, the storm is expected to take 3 and 4 hours to cross the coast completely. The landfall is expected to occur near Kakinada and wind speed are expected to reach 90 to 110 kilometers along the coast. Now, the most affected areas in Antarvedi and Narsapuram, Kakinada, and government of Andhra Pradesh take care of these areas, and Tufan near to 10 to 11 p.m. at Konaseema district, Antarvedi. And all these buses and services has been stopped already in Konaseema, Amalapuram and Raulapalam, Rajamandri, Kakinada also because of cyclone affected area. All the affected peoples and fishermen also sent to rehabilitation centers. Konaseema in charge minister Acham Naidu also visit the rehabilitation centers in Konaseema, interact the people and checking the food and arrangement also. Along with the district collector and local MLAs and MPs also, special officer Vijay Ramaraju also visit the rehabilitation centers. Rainfall, winds, heavy rains now in Kakinada sea areas and Konaseema sea areas and Wadalrevu places also. All our fishermen shall take care of the AP government, AP CM Chandrababu Naidu and Deputy CM Pawan Kalyan also take care of the AP and Kakinada district Uppada and Konaseema district Amalapuram.